Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Here guys, we're going to demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150 that we have here at the garage. You guys have two different fuse boxes on your Ford F-150, but we'll need to work in the fuse box that's located right under the hood in the engine bay. And if you see right here, guys, this is your car battery. Right behind the car battery on the left side you have a fuse box cover. You open that cover and you see a fuse box that looks just like this one. We can zoom it and show you a little bit in a better detail. This will be the front of your truck. That's where the car battery will be. That's towards the windshield. Now let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, if you see right here now, you have different relays, fuses. Those are specific for Ford and they could be really hard to find going to the small towns if you're in the middle of nowhere, or they can be really expensive at a parts store. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping. Put some spares in your glove box for a peace of mind. That's what we always do. Now for the blower motor fan fuse, we need to come in that, you can see panel right here, fuses, and if you come in the middle row and you start from those relays and you count fuse number 1, 2, even if you have a missing fuse you still count the spot. That fuse right here, that's known as fuse number 60, guys, 6060. Check that fuse, that will be for the blower motor fan, also known as heater fan. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.